Hello people, and thanks for joining me, and today we're checking out the Pinnacle Hotel in Bangkok.
So this is where you find the place I've been eating, just there, and we'll walk back to the hotel and show you how to find a hotel. A lot of building work going on. Right, so we just managed to get my adapter as well for 50 baht, a lot cheaper than 7-Eleven. But if you look for where the hotel is in the day, you see that, and we got the 7-Eleven right on the corner where you find it. So you just do a left at the 7-Eleven. Just watch out for the traffic. There's a little hairdressers. There's also like a little Chinese restaurant here. Every night I've come past that's been totally packed out. I might have to try it, see what it is. Normally Chinese, we've been really busy in there. Another little hairdressers. And when you get to the corner there, you can see the sign for the Pinnacle, and it's just on your left up this alley bit here. Quite easy to miss from the front street, but once you actually know where it is, it's okay. And you can see it's right opposite. If you've got a car, you can go under the car park. If you're walking just straight out the steps, and to the right is the reception.
Here you have the restaurant, or where you come down for your breakfast. It's quite a lot of spaces here, it's all quite clean and tidy. Wasn't a great selection of food, but it's okay, not too bad. But there's plenty of places nearby if you want to go out and eat like I do most days.
Dining area there.
You've also got a nice lot of comfortable seats. There's tea and coffees there free when they're there. Because the check-in is quite late, I can't remember if it was about 2 o'clock or might have even been 3 o'clock. I remember having to sit around for quite a long time. The staff at the desk was very helpful, very polite.
Teas and coffee. Just a chilling area where you can sit if you're waiting. Outside area.
It's all quite elegant. They've got some nice artwork. They've got a big fish tank with some really big fish, but they're a bit too big for the tank. But I've got some footage of that, but I'll have to add that in later if I find it.
So I think we'll have a look and check out the fitness room and pool. I've not been up to there to see, so let's go check that out. 15 floors, I'm right at the top. More my room. Well, I'll show you in a minute.
I've not been up here, so I don't know which way we're going. And that way looks just like more rooms, looks like through here. So we've got a bit of a gym there, it looks like. A bit dark down this corridor, whatever that is. There's the pool. We've got all fresh towels there for you. You Is this bit the sauna room? Look. I'm not sure, it looks like they're working on that room, might just be a changing room. Looks quite nice, a lot of seats to sit out there. Yeah, so you got the swimming pool area. It's not a very big pool, but it's okay. I don't know if it's hot or not, we'll try and get that one. Here's a couple of pictures of what it looked like online. Is that maybe the sauna changing room there? So look in the gym, see what they got in here. Not very big, but it's okay. Got running machine, elliptical trainer or cross trainer, another running machine, a couple of free weights, sit up bench or incline bench, and some sort of multi gym strokes Smith machine type thing. And you can work out with a view of a building site at the moment. Maybe come down here later on after I've been out and check it out. Quickly show you some views before we go up to the next level. So we're looking out over Bangkok. The windows need a bit of a clean, but we're so high up, like I say, on the 14th or 15th floor here. Some people working on the roof down there. Got a view from the hotel. Some wooden carving. Goes out to the top of the pool. Oh, looks like the roof's caved in here. Toilets there. Okay, let's go and check out some of the rooms. So now we've seen what the rooms all look like online, let's check out the reality of the room. The room actually are quite spacious, the one I had anyway. So you got the light switch for the bathroom on the outside. It's got its own lock on there if you shown.
rain shower. Got some soap and shampoo in there. Just a normal in and out. It does get quite warm in the shower. The door was sticking, it sticks open a little bit, but you just got to pull it to a little bit when you're using it. Actually, for Thailand, you've got a normal paper toilet instead of the normal squirt gun, but that's okay. Great big mirror, lights. You've also got a hairdryer, electric point there. They do supply some bits there like they do supply some bits there like shower cap and soap and stuff. You know, soap just needs a bit of a clean. That's a new soap in there. It's bring you a new toilet roll every day. Well, I haven't me, but I've still not used them there and there. They normally bring you 2 bottles of water as well. You got your cupboard. So on this particular room you've got a little safe, your 2 drawers, some hanging space. The only one thing you've got to remember with this door is when you go out you actually have to press the button to lock it. That is quite annoying, and the handle is a bit loose from the other side. Yeah, because if you go out and just pull it to, a lot of hotels it lock, but this one it doesn't lock, so you've got to actually remember to press the button before you go. Same wooden key system, but actually the aircon does stay on even without that on. You got your little drawer down there I've never used, and a tea, coffee, couple of glasses, 2 cups, kettle. What's always handy, that's one of my main things I look for if I can help it. Got your fridge and a little freezer bit in there as well. Some extra shelving. You've got sprinkler systems as well in case there's a fire or anything. I will move my bags for this.
And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and comment. It's completely free.